In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put pay bill to the left bar in QuickBooks. We'll keep this fast and practical by using the built-in shortcut that lives right on the left bar, so pay bills is always just a click away. First, sign into your QuickBooks account and make sure you're in the correct company file. If you manage multiple companies, double-check the company name in the header before moving on. That way, you'll be paying bills in the right place. Now look to the left bar of your QuickBooks Online screen. At the very top, you'll see the plus new button. This is the quickest path to nearly all day-to-day tasks, and it's exactly where we'll find pay bills. Click plus new. A menu will open organized by categories to help you move faster without digging through deeper menus. In that menu, find the vendors section. Under vendors, click pay bills. That's it. The pay bills window will open immediately. This shortcut is the fastest method because it takes you straight to the billing workflow from the left side of your screen. No extra navigation needed. When the pay bills window appears, you'll see your open bills listed and ready to review. This is where you can verify which vendors you need to pay, confirm due dates, and prepare payments. If your list looks empty or something seems off, try adjusting filters or confirming that your bills have been entered. Also, if you don't see pay bills under vendors in the plus new menu, your user permissions or subscription settings may need a quick review by an admin. Sometimes access is restricted based on role, or certain bill pay features are turned off. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the plus new button, your browser zoom might be too high or the left bar might be collapsed. Reset your zoom to 100% or expand the bar so the button appears. And if you're working in a smaller window, maximize your browser so the full menu displays cleanly. To recap the flow you'll use every time, sign in, go to the left bar, click plus new, then under vendors choose pay bills. From there, you're in the right place to select the bills you want to pay and move forward with your usual payment process. This approach keeps pay bills one simple step off the left bar, making it the fastest way to get to your payables whenever you need it.